Fireman Sam is on the way next, but right now Nelson wants to become a bird in 64 Zoo Lane.
64, 64, 64 Zoo Lane. 64, 64, 64 Zoo Lane.
Hello, I'm Lucy. I live at 64 Zoo Lane, and I have some very special neighbours. Look!
There's one with a hump, and one who can jump, and one who is, well, a little bit flat.
64, 64 Zoo Lane.
Some like it hot, and some like it chilly, and some like it both ways, and that's a bit silly.
64, 64 Zoo Lane.
Some are friendly, some are scary, but one thing is sure, not one is ordinary.
64 Zoo Lane.
Some are squatty, some are shaggy, they're prickly and woolly and furry and slimy. Some are quite big and some are very small, and the last one's Georgina, who's incredibly tall.
64 Zoo Lane. 64 Zoo Lane.
Bedtime, Lucy.
Okay, Mum.
The story of the elephant bird.
Hi, everyone. Hello? Anyone at home? It's Lucy. I've arrived.
Oh, that tickles.
Well, it serves you right. Anyone would think you didn't recognize me.
Well, you do look,
Yes?
Different?
Actually, Lucy, you look very grown up.
That's exactly what I was hoping you'd say. I want to look grown up. Grown-ups stay up late and boss people around.
Oh, yes, well, about that.
Don't blush, Lucy. Sometimes we all wish we were someone different.
Sometimes I wish I was Tickles because he knows all the best jokes.
And sometimes I wish I was as big and strong as Nelson.
And once, I wished I could fly like a bird.
Now you're making fun of me.
No, we're not.
It's true, it's true.
Nelson did want to be a bird.
It was a long time ago. but yes, I was a bird for a day. In fact, I still hold the long-distance flying record for elephants.
Really?
Go on, Molly. You tell the story.
All right, then. Nelson was always busy doing elephanty things. He was big and strong and helped the other animals.
Oh, no!
Nelson was so good at doing elephanty things that he got a bit bored.
Oh, this is all too easy. I need a new challenge.
And that's when Nelson spotted a weaver bird.
Oh, thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm making a nest. All birds have nests. They're nice and comfy to sleep in.
Could I build one?
I suppose so. It would have to be big.
That's okay. I've got all day.
So Nelson started to build a nest. Nelson liked his nest very much.
I want to be a bird.
His friend, the weaver bird, agreed to give Nelson a few lessons. First, the weaver bird showed Nelson how to flap his wings. Nelson didn't have wings to flap, so he flapped his ears instead. But that didn't work. Then the weaver bird told Nelson about feathers.
Feathers?
They help birds to fly. You need lots and lots of feathers. Here's one to get you started.
So Nelson borrowed a feather from each of his bird friends.
Ouch!
At last! I'm a bird! I'm a bird! I'm a...
Nelson thought he would never be able to fly.
Here, Nelson! Come and look at this!
It's a tree. I've seen one before.
This isn't just any old tree. This is a helicopter tree.
A helicopter tree?
Here, watch this.
The seed of the helicopter tree gave Nelson a brilliant idea.
What are you making, Nelson?
You'll see. What do you think of my helicopter blades?
But they're made out of banana leaves.
Give it a spin and then stand well back.
Be careful, Nelson.
Oh, I'm flying!
Well done, Nelson.
This is great! You get such a good view from up here. Hello, Audrey!
Oh, hello, Nelson.
Hello, Weaverbird!
But soon, Nelson began to take being a bird a bit too seriously. He tried to hatch some watermelons. Then he wanted to catch worms, just like the weaver bird. Only worms were a bit small for him, but snakes were just the right size for an elephant bird. Things got really bad when Nelson decided to try and beat the world long-distance flying record.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
I'm not an elephant anymore. I'm a bird now. I've practiced very hard. You'll see.
But it's very windy.
Ha! We birds don't mind a little breeze.
The wind caught Nelson, and he flew high up into the air. Then the wind began to blow even stronger.
Oh, look out! Whoa!
Dangerous flying, ignoring a traffic signal, failing to report an accident with a flamingo, and landing in a manner such as to endanger other animals.
Nelson realized that he wasn't really a very good bird. The animals felt sorry for Nelson, and they thought of a plan to make him feel better again. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh dear, oh my, oh my, oh my.
What's happening? What's going on down there?
A big boulder rolled right in front of King Snake's burrow. It's heavy and no one can lift it. I'm on my way for help.
I could move it.
No, you're a bird. Birds can't shift boulders.
No, I'm not. I'm an elephant. Oh, I feel better already.
Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you, Nelson.
Nelson was helping the others by doing things only an elephant can do. And he was happy again.
It's with great pleasure that I accept this award for long-distance flying. But I have decided that the sky is for the birds. From now on, I will be an elephant again.
animals were pleased to have back the old Nelson that they knew and loved.
That's amazing, Nelson. You actually learned to fly. Whee! I'm an elephant bird! But I like you much better as big, strong Nelson the elephant.
And we like you just the way you are.
Not too grown up.
Everybody's special.
Especially you.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, Lucy.
64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Look out, the